Dear students, the last class explained the introduction about the extension of British rule. Today let me start a new topic, First Anglo-Maratha War of 1775 to 1782. The First Anglo-Maratha War of 1775 to 1782. The Marathas initiated Shah Alam II back on the throne of a Mughal emperor in Delhi. Shah Alam II was the control of the British after the defeat in a Buxar war. The Marathas initiated Shah Alam II. Who influenced Shah Alam II here? So Shah Alam II was influenced by the Marathas. Who is the Shah Alam II? You remember, children? You have learnt about him in the Battle of Buxar. He was controlled by the British. Who was controlled by the British? Shah Alam II was controlled by the British in the Battle of Buxar. So, who supported now Shah Alam II? Marathas Federation. So, Marathas initiated Shah Alam II back on the throne, the Mughal Emperor in Delhi. This Shah Alam II was in the control by the British after the Battle of Buxar. Now the emperor gave Kora and Allahabad to Marathas, which he had earlier given to the British. Now the emperor means who, children, here? The Shah Alam II. Now Shah Alam II gave Kora and Allahabad to Marathas. Which place he has given? Kora and Allahabad to Marathas. Which this particular place earlier he was given for the British. Why he has given for the British, children? Because he has lost Battle of Buxar. That is the reason he has given the particular place for the British. So now he has given this place. Which place? Kora and Allahabad place to the Marathas. This resulted the enmity between the Marathas and the British. So because of when the Kora and Allahabad he was given for the Marathas, this resulted this place when he is given for the Marathas, because he was given that two place for the British, this resulted the enmity between the Marathas and the British. The death of a Maratha strong man, Madhavrao Peshwa, was a setback to the Marathas. So first what happened? The British and the Marathas enmity was broken. The same period what happened? The death of Madhavrao Peshwa has become the setback for the Marathas. It has created the issue for the Marathas. Though his brother Narayana Rao came to power, he was murdered by his uncle Raghoba. So Madhavrao Peshwa was expired. His brother, whose brother? Madhavrao Peshwa's brother Narayana Rao become the Peshwa. They have made Narayana Rao as the Peshwa. But he was murdered by his uncle Raghoba or the Raghunatha Rao. So Raghoba or the Raghunatha Rao. Both the name you can consider, children. Raghoba you can say or the Raghunatha Rao. Who was murdered by Raghoba or Raghunatha? Narayana Rao Peshwa was murdered by his uncle. He was an uncle of Narayana Rao. He was murdered by his uncle Raghoba or the Raghunatha Rao. The Marathas Federation brought Madhavrao II, the minor son of the Narayana Rao, to the post of the Peshwa. So Marathas Federation, what they will do? So anyhow Narayana Rao was murdered by the Raghoba. So because of that, the Marathas Federation, they made Madhavrao II as the Peshwa. So he was a minor son of Narayana Rao. He was a son of Narayana Rao as a Madhavrao Peshwa. Madhavrao second become the Peshwa of the Marathas. Upset with this development, Raghova approached the British for the support. So why he was murdered, Narayana Rao? Because he want to become the Peshwa of the Marathas. So, but Marathas Federation not recognized the Raghoba. So they have made as the Madhavrao II as the Peshwa. Upset with this incident, so Raghoba approached the support of the British. With whom he will ask the support? British. British thought of exploiting this situation in their favor. So anyhow the British plan, already introduction I explained you, the British want to extend their empire. So that is the reason they have taken the situation for their favor, not about the Raghoba's favor, it is about their favor. So they have waged a long war waged between from 1775 to 1782 between the Marathas and the British. The fight started from the 1775 to 1782. Initially, though the Marathas gained the upper hand, later they have to lose Ahmedabad. The Marathas Federation was unable to sustain this war. They entered to the Salbai agreement. The middle starting what happens? They have won almost all the place. They were in the winning position. But in the ending what happens? They have to lose the place called Ahmedabad. So because of this, the Marathas Federation felt that it is unable to sustain for them. So they entered for the Salbai agreement. Which agreement, children? That is the result is Salbai agreement. They entered for the Salbai agreement, and British made Madhavrao II as a Peshwa. The British made Madhavrao II as a Peshwa, and Raghova was pension, means he will get some kind of a pension from the British. This is the explanation of a First Anglo-Maratha War.